Are you an aspiring entrepreneur looking for lucrative business ideas? In this video, we will share with you 10 money-making ideas that you should consider to kickstart your entrepreneurial journey. So, let's dive right in. Idea number 1, e-commerce. With the rise of online shopping, starting an e-commerce business can be a great way to generate income. Whether it's through dropshipping, selling handmade products, or becoming an affiliate marketer, there are endless opportunities in the world of e-commerce. Idea number 2, social media consulting. Many businesses struggle with utilizing social media effectively. If you have a knack for marketing and a deep understanding of platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, consider offering your services as a social media consultant. Idea number 3, content creation. With the increasing demand for engaging content, becoming a content creator can be highly profitable. Whether it's through blogging, vlogging, or podcasting, there are countless ways to monetize your creativity. Idea number 4, online tutoring. If you excel in a particular subject or skill, why not share your knowledge and make money out of it? Online tutoring is in high demand, especially for subjects like math, science, and languages. Idea number 5, event planning. If you have a flair for organization and creativity, event planning can be a lucrative business. From weddings to corporate events, people are always in need of experienced event planners to make their occasions unforgettable. Idea number 6, freelance writing. If you have a passion for writing, consider freelancing as a content writer or copywriter. With the rise of digital marketing, businesses are constantly in need of well-crafted content to engage their audience. Idea number 7, personal training. If fitness is your passion, why not turn it into a business? With the increasing focus on health and wellness, becoming a personal trainer can open up a range of opportunities. Idea number 8, app development. In today's digital age, the demand for innovative apps is constantly growing. If you have coding skills, app development can be a highly profitable business venture. Idea number 9, photography. If you have an eye for capturing moments, consider starting a photography business. From weddings to portraits, the demand for professional photographers is always high. Idea number 10, virtual assistants. Many entrepreneurs and busy professionals are in need of virtual assistants to help manage their workload. If you are highly organized and reliable, offering virtual assistant services can be a great entrepreneurial opportunity. And there you have it, 10 money-making ideas for entrepreneurs. Choose the one that resonates with you the most, put in the hard work, and success will follow. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this.